All right, today we're going to bring a headphone and controller holder. So we're going to take a look at it and we're going to set it up. So first of all, when you get it off the actual box, you get the instructions, you get the actual grips and the actual holder itself. Now, this one right here is flexible. If you guys can see, it has a bounce back. This is actually to grab onto the desk. There is some rubber ends here on both ends and in the bottom here too. You guys can see these have rubber in so you could hold on the controllers. Now, for the controller part, your headphones could go in the back and your controllers could go here in the front. So you could display your controllers, and we're going to see if it's compatible with a Xbox controller and a PlayStation 5 controller. Let's see if it could hold both of them. So it's a great thing if you have multi-systems and you have your headsets. It's always lying on the floor. Might as well put it and hang it in here. So I like the whole setup. Very simple and made of plastic, durable. And this is not stretchable, but look at this part. I like this. I'm gonna show you guys something that's unique. This is actually for the cable management, right? So you could connect them, and if you want to charge them at the same time, you can. There's only one end, all right, on one side, and the other one doesn't have any. So you can remove this and just have one place instead of two. So we'll put it together and see how it works. All right, let's go ahead and set it up. And the way it works, you just basically just grab down to it here, and if you guys can see it grabbed on, and that's pretty much it. So once you set them up, you could just remove these or add them up if you want, and we're gonna set them up and make sure that they're durable. All right, here we have it. We got our actual headphones in here, and the great thing about this, I like that you can move it around. I like that. That's an option. So I do have my PlayStation 5 controller here and my Xbox controller on the top. If I want to grab my PlayStation controller, I can. Very simple. Putting it on, I would have to remove this one or rotate them if you want. You could have either or. All right. So wherever you play the best, the most, you can have it there. You got your holder here, and it goes all the way down. Crypto proof, crypto proof.